Chapter 3. Desert and Southern Plateau. The Great Indian Desert. The Great Indian Desert, also known as the Thar Desert, stretches from the Rann of Kutch in Gujarat to the borders of Haryana. It is located towards the west of the northern plains and is surrounded by the Aravalli Hills towards the southeast. It covers mostly the western part of Rajasthan. The land in the Thar Desert is sandy and rocky. Water, climate and vegetation. The desert region receives very little rainfall. River Luni flows through the region, but it does not have much water throughout the year. During the day, the sun gets extremely heated, while it cools down very fast at night. This results in hot days and cold nights. Due to harsh climate and scarcity of water, it is difficult for plants to grow in the desert. Also, plants such as cactus, babool and kikar are found here. An oasis is an area in the desert where underground water comes to the surface and flows like a stream. These are fertile areas and most villages in the desert are situated around these areas. Date palm trees and other crops are grown in these areas. Changing conditions. In the desert areas of Rajasthan, the government has built the Indira Gandhi Canal to provide better water facilities. The canal gets its water from the river Satluj and its tributaries. It has helped farmers to grow crops such as jowar, bajra, maj, barley and wheat. Life of people in the Thar Desert. Jaipur, Jaisalmer, Jodhpur, Bikaner, and Udaipur are some important cities in Rajasthan. Ranthambore, Bharatpur and Sariska are important wildlife sanctuaries located in the region. Due to the lack of water and vegetation, some people move from place to place instead of settling in one particular area. They are called banjaras or nomads. One can see a long chain of camels and people on move in the desert. This is called a caravan. Camels are very helpful in deserts. Houses and clothes. Houses in the desert are designed keeping the weather conditions in mind. They have flat roofs, as there is hardly any rainfall. The walls are thick to keep the heat out. The windows are small. Houses usually have a well or an underground tank to store water. Rajasthan is also famous for its forts and palaces which tell the glorious past of this state. Houses of rich merchants, called havelis, too can still be seen. Men wear dhoti kurta and colorful turbans. The pagdi or turban helps to keep the heat away. They also wear embroidered angarkha or achkan. Women dress up in ghagra choli and odhni. They also love to wear large silver jewelry and white bangles. Handicrafts, fairs, folk dances, and music. Rajasthan is famous for handicrafts. People make many kinds of camel hair products. They also make wood and stone articles. Animal fairs of Rajasthan are also very popular. During the Kapil Muni fair at Kolayat, Bikaner, people take a dip in the Kolayat lake. A cattle fair is organized at the time of the Kapil Muni fair. There are all kinds of other events organized around the fairs. These include folk dances and music. They have their own beauty which attracts people from all over the world. They enjoy visiting the beautiful spots, meeting the fun-loving people and eating the special dishes. The Southern Plateau. A plateau is an area of flat land that is higher than the area around it. It has rocky and uneven surface. The Southern Plateau is one of the important landforms of India. It covers a very large area of our country. It looks like a triangle placed upside down. The plateaus are surrounded by hills. The Aravalli Hills surround them towards the northwest and the Rajmahal Hills towards the northeast. The states located in the southern plateaus include Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu and the eastern parts of Karnataka. Two parts of the plateau region. The southern plateau is divided into two main areas by the Satpura Range and the Narmada River. To the north of the Satpuras and the Narmada River are the Central Highlands and to the south is the Deccan Plateau. The Central Highlands, the Malwa Plateau and the Chota Nagpur Plateau together constitute the Central Highlands. The southeastern tip of Rajasthan and parts of Madhya Pradesh lie in the Malwa Plateau. This region has fine black soil that is good for growing cotton and oilseeds. Chota Nagpur Plateau area has huge deposits of coal, mica, bauxite, manganese and iron. Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, and parts of West Bengal and Odisha make up the Chota Nagpur Plateau. The Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau lies towards the south of the river Narmada and the Satpura Ranges. Towards the west, it is bordered by the long range of hills of the western Ghats. The Nilgiris, Anaimlai and Cardamom Hills are some important hills of the Western Ghats. The Eastern Ghats border the plateau in the east. Arma Konda or Sitam Konda, 1,680 meters, is its highest peak. Some important minerals found in plenty include gold, mica, iron, etc. The famous Kolar gold field is located in this part of plateau. The rivers in plateau region. These plateau areas are irrigated by many rivers like the Mahandi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Narmada and Tapi. Unlike the Himalayan rivers, these rivers are rain-fed not snow-fed. Many dams have also been built across the rivers to store water for the dry months. Dams also provide water for irrigation and help in the production of electricity. The Mettur Dam on the river Kaveri and the Nagarjun Sagar Dam on the river Krishna are two important dams. The highest waterfall in India is Kunchikal waterfall located in Shimoga district of Karnataka. Life of people in the southern plateau region. Jharkhand was earlier a part of Bihar. The word Jharkhand means the land of forests. It became a separate state in 2000. Ranchi is its capital. This state has a vast mineral wealth and forests. The important minerals are coal, iron ore, limestone, copper ore, bauxite, etc. Hence, many industries are located in this state. Some of these industries are Bokaro Steel Plant, Tata Iron and Steel Company, etc. Hazaribagh Wildlife Sanctuary and other forest reserves provide protection to wildlife. People speak Hindi, Bengali and Oriya. Rice is the staple food. Dhuska and Sattu Paratha are commonly eaten. Festivals like Karam, Sarhul, Sohrai, Chhat and Diwali, etc. are celebrated. Odisha is located near the Bay of Bengal. Its capital is Bhubaneswar. People speak Oriya. Chilika Lake, the largest brackish water lagoon in Asia, lies in this state. Jagannath Temple at Puri, Sun Temple at Konark and Bhubaneswar are popular tourist spots. The famous classical dance, Odissi has originated in Odisha. Dalma, Pakhla, Pitha are eaten in every house. Chhattisgarh became a state in the year 2000. Raipur is its capital. The Mahandi is the main river of the state. People speak Chhattisgarhi and Hindi. Chhattisgarh is known for Kosa silk. Raut Nacha is the folk dance. Madhya Pradesh is called the heart of India. Its capital is Bhopal. Madhya Pradesh is home to national parks like Kanha National Park, Bandhavgarh National Park, etc. Wheat, rice, pulses, soya bean, cotton, and mustard are main crops. Gond and Bhil are the main tribes of Madhya Pradesh. The Khajuraho temples and Buddhist monuments at Sanchi, Bhimbetka cave etc. attract tourists. People speak Hindi and Malvi. Festivals like Holi, Diwali, Eid, Dashehra, Ram Navami, etc. are celebrated. Karnataka's capital is Bangalore. The two main rivers of the state are the Krishna and the Kaveri. Kunchikal Falls, the highest waterfall, and Brindavan Gardens are the main tourist attractions of Mysore. Bangalore is called the Silicon Valley of India. Many of India's science and technology research centers, such as Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, and Bharat Electronics Limited, BALE, are located in Kunchikal waterfalls this state. Farmers grow paddy, madge, pulses, oilseeds, cashews, cardamom, ragi, jowar, cotton and sugarcane. Karnataka's Indian classical music called Carnatic music is well known. Kannada is the most widely spoken language. The main festival is Ugadi. Sari is the traditional dress of women. Dhoti, known as Panche in Karnataka, is the traditional dress of men. Bisi bele bath, masala dosa and maddur vada are the popular food items. Mysore pak is a popular sweet. Andhra Pradesh's capital city is Amravati. Andhra Pradesh is called the rice ball of India. Rice, cotton, sunflower, black gram, madge, ground nut, pigeon pea, and sorghum are the main crops. The state has rich mineral wealth of limestone, natural gas, petroleum and coal. The Tirumal Venkateshwar temple in Tirupati is very famous pilgrimage center. The main languages are Telugu and Urdu. Kalamkari and Bidri work are famous handicrafts. The foods are spicy. The most popular dish is Hyderabadi biryani. Kuchipudi is the traditional dance of this state. Maharashtra is the richest state in India. Mumbai, the capital city of the state, is India's largest city in terms of population and the commercial capital of the nation. Pune has the National Defence Academy, NDA. Nagpur is called the Orange City. The Ajanta Caves and Ellora Caves are located in Aurangabad. Gateway of India in Mumbai is a famous historical monument. Godavari, Krishna and Tapi are the main rivers of Maharashtra. Agriculture and industry are the two main occupations. The main crops are wheat, rice, jowar, bajra, pulses, groundnut, cotton, sugarcane, turmeric and mango. Major industries include chemicals, machinery, textiles, petroleum, etc. Mumbai is also the home for the Hindi filmmaking industry popularly called Bollywood. Marathi is the main language. Ganesh Chaturthi is a popular festival in the state. The people eat Puran Poli, Bakarwadi, Modak and Vada Pav. Tamil Nadu is the southernmost state of India. Its capital is Chennai. Marina Beach in Chennai is one of the longest beaches in the world. Main national park is Mudumlai National Park. Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip of India. The main crops are rice, fruits like mango and banana, rubber, coconut, groundnut and coffee. Rice is the staple food. Sambar vada, dosa, idli, etc. are popular food items. Pongal is a four-day harvest festival. Tamil is the main language of the state. The Brihadiswara temple in Tanjavur is world famous. The Shore temple is at Mahabalipuram. Bharatanatyam is the classical dance of Tamil Nadu.